What's up, guys?
Oh.
This is SquaredRys with Riley. We are picking out socks right now for Riley because we are going to CVS because somebody needs pasta.
You! I have pasta. I told you could eat it.
So, yeah, we're going to get these socks put on our feet, and then these boots. I think these boots probably match best. Or would you prefer the other ones?
These are steel toe, so I can kick you in the shin.
Oh, these are your brothers.
Yeah.
Do you think he watches our episodes?
No.
Oh. Okay, well, we'll see you guys when we're on our way to CVS. We're walking there. It's only like 0.4 of a mile, 7-minute walk. You know, it's kind of blizzarding out, but you know, it happens. See, guys, I told you she would say yes.
Stop it. I hear you help. I'm giving up on it. Can you tell? Can you not record me while I'm brushing my teeth? Great.
Quality footage, Riley. Quality footage.
Nah, you were high quality. Were you not going in? It's not that cool. I can't look at you right now. Wipe off my back though.
Okay.
Oh god! No, it's so deep.
You're committed now.
Alright. Can't say I don't do anything for you.
Oh, it's clear here.
Look.
Look at clear path.
OMG. We love people like this.
And then up here, the empty path disappears again.
It's been really warm. But you know what? I'm using your path. Stop it. You're walking too fast. You have too big legs.
There it is, guys. There's CVS. Once again, Ryan was right. We made it to CVS. Riley didn't think we could.
I almost died twice. I fell like 3 times.
But we made it, guys. Now we just gotta hope that they have pasta. Otherwise, we gotta walk to Walmart.
We're not walking to Walmart.
She said that about CVS, too.
Yeah, well. Shut up. What? We need it. Good news! Ryan got his fucking pasta. Woo! So now we are heading back home through the awful, fluffy snow of death, which I've fallen in twice already. So, great day. Yeah, so, I guess stay tuned and, oh shit, I almost face planted again. Maybe Ryan will capture it on video, who knows?
Fall.
Oh yeah!
Oh, you're videotaping. Hey guys, it's Sandra from SquaredRys, and Ryan and Riley went to CVS and they got noodles and Alfredo sauce. Isn't that exciting? Woohoo! Make sure you like and subscribe us.